English News for Learners, February 13th. Today, we look at Toyota's big deal. We also cover wholesale prices and the stronger yen. Then we talk about candy sales and industrial robots. Let's get started. Toyota no 買収期限. The Toyota Group is making a big move. They want to buy all shares of Toyota Industries. This deal is worth 6.1 trillion yen. It is a very large amount of money. The group has changed the deadline. The original date was this Thursday. Now they moved it to March 2nd. They need more time for this deal. Why did they extend the deadline? They need support from many shareholders. Right now, the group holds 25%. They need more than 66% to succeed. Some investment firms are not happy. They want Toyota to pay a higher price. They believe the company is worth more money. This deal is very important for Japan. It shows how big companies are changing. People are watching Toyota very closely. Many experts say this change is necessary. It helps the company manage its business better. Next topic. 日本の卸売物価. New data about Japan's economy is out. Wholesale prices rose by 2.3% in January. This is a comparison to last year. Wholesale prices measure what companies charge each other. This is different from store prices. However, it still affects our daily lives. The growth is actually slowing down a little. In December, the growth was 2.4%, so 2.3% is a slight decrease. This is good news for some people. But there are still some big concerns. The cost of imports remains very high. This is true for many metal products. Agricultural goods are also becoming more expensive. The Bank of Japan is watching these numbers. They want to decide when to change interest rates. This decision will affect many businesses. High costs make things difficult for small companies. Moving on. 円高の進行. The Japanese yen is becoming stronger this week. It reached around 153 yen per dollar. This is its strongest level in several months. Just last month, the yen was near 160. That was a very weak level. Now the currency has moved back. It gained about 1% recently. Why is the yen getting stronger? Many investors are moving away from risky trades. They used to borrow yen to buy assets. This is called a carry trade. Now that trend is starting to reverse. Traders think interest rates will go up. They expect the Bank of Japan to act. A stronger yen has many benefits. It can help lower the cost of imports. Things like food and fuel may get cheaper. This is good news for Japanese households. However, it can be hard for exporters. Moving on to our next story. Morinaga Seica no増益. Morinaga and Company has some sweet news. The Japanese snack maker reported a profit rise. Their business is doing very well. Total revenue increased by 2.9%. It reached 181.6 billion yen recently. Their operating profit also rose by 1%. The main reason for success is Haichu. This famous candy is popular everywhere. It is a hit in Japan and overseas. The company faced some big challenges. The costs for raw materials went up. Shipping goods also became more expensive. However, Morinaga managed to increase their profits. Strong sales helped them cover higher costs. They are very happy with the results. Morinaga plans to grow more in 2026. They want to sell candy in global markets. Haichu is now a major global brand. And finally, 産業用ロボットの需要. Orders for industrial robots are growing fast. New reports show growth of over 10%. This is compared to the previous year. Specifically, robot orders increased by 10.7%. One company reached 80% of its goal. This company is called Harmonic Drive Systems. Why is the demand for robots high? Many factories are facing a labor shortage. There are not enough workers for every job. To solve this, companies invest in automation. Robots help factories stay competitive. This is very important for Japan's future. Japan is already a world leader here. They make many precision parts for robots. This high demand will likely continue. Factories will keep using more technology. It's an exciting time for the industry. This shows how technology helps our society. Today we learned about Toyota and wholesale prices. We also discussed the yen, Morinaga, and robots. I hope you enjoyed these stories. Keep practicing your English every day. You are doing a great job. Goodbye for now.